Hello, students. Welcome back to Avid Education Academy, your trusted space for clear and simple science learning. Today, we are going to dive into an important topic plant and animal breeding and how selection plays a vital role in improving quality and management. This may sound technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step with examples you can easily relate to. Let's begin with plants. Plant breeding is the method by which scientists and farmers develop new varieties of crops that are healthier, stronger, and more productive. Imagine two different plants, one that gives a high yield and another that resists diseases. By crossbreeding them, we can create a variety that combines both qualities. This is the basic idea behind hybrid crops. पौधों का प्रजनन, प्लांट ब्रीडिंग, एक ऐसी प्रक्रिया है जिससे नई किस्में बनाई जाती हैं जिनमें ज्यादा उत्पादन और रोगों से बचाव जैसी विशेषताएं होती हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हाई यील्ड varieties of wheat and rice, like IR8 rice, were developed using breeding methods. These crops played a major role in India's Green Revolution, helping to feed millions. Now let's move to animals. Animal breeding works on the same principle. The goal is to improve traits like milk yield in cows and buffaloes, egg production in poultry, or even stronger and healthier livestock for farming. There are two main methods: inbreeding, which means mating animals of the same breed, and crossbreeding, which means mating animals of different breeds to combine desirable traits. पशुओं का प्रजनन दूध, अंडे और मांस उत्पादन बढ़ाने के लिए किया जाता है. इसमें समान नस्ल या अलग-अलग नस्लों का चयन किया जाता है. For example, crossing Indian cows with Jersey cows has given us breeds that produce more milk while still being adapted to local conditions. Poultry breeding has produced hens that can lay far more eggs than traditional breeds. But breeding alone is not enough. To ensure that only the best qualities are passed on, scientists and farmers use selection. Selection means choosing the best plants or animals, the healthiest, the highest yielding, or the most disease resistant, and using them for further breeding. Over time, this improves the overall quality of the population. चयन, selection का मतलब है अच्छे गुणों वाले पौधों और पशुओं को आगे प्रजनन के लिए चुनना. For instance, if a farmer has 10 cows, but only 2 give significantly more milk, those 2 will be selected for further breeding. This simple practice ensures that future generations will also have high milk yield. Along with breeding and selection, management is equally important. Proper feeding, clean housing, timely veterinary care, irrigation for crops, and protection from diseases all play a big role in ensuring that the improved breeds actually perform well in real life. प्रबंधन में सही पोषण, देखभाल और सुरक्षा शामिल है, जिससे उपज और उत्पादन अच्छे बने रहते हैं. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. Plant breeding improves crops by combining good traits, while animal breeding improves livestock for better yield. Selection ensures that only the best traits are carried forward, and good management practices are necessary to maintain productivity. Without breeding, we would still be stuck with low-yield crops and animals. But without management, even the best breeds won't give us the desired results. Here's a thought for you. If selection and breeding are so powerful, why do you think local or traditional varieties of crops and animals are still important to preserve? Think about it. It's a question of balance between progress and biodiversity. That's all for today's session on plant and animal breeding and selection for quality improvement and management. If you enjoyed this explanation and found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Avid Education Academy. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.